If you could not get through this 2.5-minute video, you hate me. And I don't think you hate me. So just watch the whole video. Give me a little view. Give me a little like. Give me a little comment. Everything will be great.
I don't wanna live my life like an Instagram post. A lot of people spending hours taking time editing those.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Curls&Cocktails, and today I'll be making a cocktail. First though, I don't know if you guys can see, but take a look at my skin. It looks amazing. I know in a couple of other videos my skin looked so bad, but I finally went and I got a chem peel by the amazing Nina. I'm going to put her information here as well as in the description box. She did an amazing job. Greatest esthetician in the state of New Jersey. I swear to you. That's not just because she's my friend. It's because she's perfect. Remember that. She did an amazing job. You guys should go see her. She does facials. She does lashes. She does makeup. She's amazing. She's amazing. Just go to her. I promise you won't regret it. So today we'll be making a very simple, very easy summer drink, Strawberry Daiquiri. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm just gonna get right into it so we can get her done. We got strawberries. There's like 5 of those bad boys. Put those in there. We have lime juice, like an ounce. Throw that in there. Simple syrup, like an ounce. Throw that in there. Rum, 2 shots because I like mine strong. Throw that in there. All right. We have ice. Throw that in there. You place on lid. You place on blender top. You blend. We have blended. I take off lid because I hate pouring through this little spout thing. I think this spout's stupid. Take off lid. Wind blows. Right. We pour into our cup. Slow pour. Beautiful. You get cute cup to make this drink more festive. Like this pineapple one that I own. Ain't it cute? Excellent. And then you literally sip. And that is it. That's literally all. That's all. I have nothing else to say. Truly, honestly, not even quite sure why I made this very simple video. I'm gonna give you a little more content by speaking and saying, I don't know what to say. That's it. That's all. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you could not get through this 2.5-minute video, you hate me. And I don't think you hate me. So just watch the whole video. Give me a little view. Give me a little like. Give me a little comment. Everything will be great.
I've got bad habits I'm trying to fix.